Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Uncle Sam Excellent Tutorial Center on YouTube. Wow, now we are on YouTube. You can actually follow us. You can watch all our videos. Now your common entrance, your junior WAEC, your junior NECO, your senior WAEC, senior NECO, all topics solved in mathematics, in basic science, physics, chemistry. You can now achieve every one of these on YouTube. What a great opportunity. So quickly, if you're new here, just quickly subscribe with us. Click on the subscription button, like, comment, send me your questions, send me your contribution. I'll be very happy to take that. Don't forget to like, click on the notification bell as you click so that you will not miss any of our videos. Go ahead and subscribe now. Subscribe to Uncle Sam Tutorial and you will never miss any one of our videos. So go ahead, click on the subscription button, click on the notification bell so that once we post a video you will get to be notified. So subscribe, go ahead and subscribe now. Subscription button is there. Go ahead and click on the button, go ahead and subscribe. Just subscribe now. Please subscribe my channel so that you'll be able to get all the videos. Don't forget, subscribe to my channel and you'll never miss a new video. Once again, don't forget to click the notification button. Now, here we go. We are still on 2013 BECE JSCE Mathematics, that is Junior WAEC and Junior NECO Mathematics. And of course, we are looking at the section A where we stopped in our last video. Now, in this video, we are going to continue from number 24. Last week we stopped at number 23. Last video we stopped at number 23. So in this particular video, we'll be looking at number 24 through some other numbers. So as much as we can take, we'll be able to take that now. So let's quickly look at number 24. Number 24 said a bag contains 5 yellow balls, 6 red balls, and 4 blue balls. If a ball is picked at random from the bag, what is the probability that it is neither red nor yellow? So this is a probability equation. So we'll just go ahead and solve. Now, looking at solution number, okay, let me quickly divide into 2. So number 24, the equation said a bag contains 5 yellow balls. So we can say number of yellow balls. Number of yellow balls is equals to, number of yellow balls is equals to 5. So the same thing, number of red balls. Number of red balls is equals to 4. Okay, 6 rather, because the equation says 6 red balls. Number of red balls is equal to 6. Now, number of blue balls, is equals to 4. So we can be able to find out the total number of balls in the bag. So total number of balls in the bag, total number of balls in the bag. That would just be a summation of all the balls, the yellow balls, the red balls, and the blue balls. That will give a total number. That would be 5 for the yellow, plus 6 for the red, plus 4 for the blue. Now, if you add that we find out that we have 15 balls. So the total number of balls in the bag is 15. Now, the question said, what is the probability that it is neither red nor yellow? So remember, we have 3 balls. We have yellow, we have red, we have blue. So when the question is saying it's neither red nor yellow, that means if it's not yellow and it's not red, it must be blue. So that is very simple. If it's not, neither means not. So if it's not red and it's not yellow, then it means it must be the probability of picking a blue ball. So we'll go ahead with that. So probability of neither yellow, neither red or yellow, so 220, neither red or yellow, is the same as the probability of blue balls. So since it is not yellow and it's not red, then it's probability of blue ball. So probability of blue ball, check number of blue balls. We have 4 blue balls all over the total number of balls. Total number of balls is 15. Remember I told you that probability is the number of required outcome all over number of total outcome. So our required outcome is the blue balls we are looking for. Then the total outcome is all the number of balls. So if you take care of that, you see that will remain that form because nothing can eventually divide that. So that would be our answer because no common number can divide 4 and 5. So our answer, now if you go back to the equation, our answer is E. Our answer is E. So I've indicated that E. So question number 25 quickly. 25 said, Abu has 30 naira, Bola has 12 naira more than Abu, and Joy has thrice as much as Abu. How much have they all together in Kobo? How much have they all together in Kobo? So first thing, let's solve in naira. When we are done in naira, we quickly convert that to Kobo. So if we are doing that, let's quickly interpret the statement. Now let's get that of Abu. So can we just say that Abu's share? Can we just say that Abu have? Can we say Abu have what? They say Abu has 30 naira, so we can say 30 naira for Abu. The next one, Bola has 12 more than Abu. That means Bola has 30 naira, which that is what Abu has, plus 12 extra naira. So if you add up that will give us a total of 42 naira for Bola. So Abu has, okay, let's correct that statement. Abu has, so your English teacher must have done a good job. So Abu has, now Bola has this. So we go on. Now, and Joy has twice as much as Abu. And Joy has twice as much as Abu. That means Joy is having thrice as much as Abu. So we'll go with that. So Joy has 3 times, that is thrice. That's what we mean by thrice. So Joy has 3 times as much as Abu. That means what Joy will be having with 3 times that of what Abu has. So Abu has 30, so Joy is having 3 times. So 3 times 30 naira. That will give us a total of 90 naira for Joy. So 3 times 30 is 90 for Joy. So by the time we total that will give us the total amount for the 3 of them. So all together, so we can now say all together the total amount will now be equals to the one of Abu, which is 30 naira, plus the one of Bola, which is 42 naira, plus the one of Joy, which is 90, plus the one of Joy, which is 90 naira. So at the end of the day, by the time you take care of that, that is 90 naira. You take care of that. You know that to make it very fast, 90 plus 30 will give us 120. Now 120 plus 42, you quickly do this very fast. For 42, we have 2 here, we have 6, we have 1. So you see that by the time you do that very fast, you have 162 naira. So we have 162 naira. 162 naira. Remember, the question asks us to give the answer in Kobo. So going by that question, from where we have solved, we have seen the total amount. So by the time we add up everything, what each of them have, we arrive at 162 naira. 162 naira. So if you convert that to Kobo, remember that 1 naira is equals to 100 Kobo. 1 naira is equals to 100 Kobo. So when we convert that, we have that 162 naira is equals to 162.00. So we have 16,200 Kobo. So that is the answer in kobo. Now, that is supposed to be the answer to that question from what the question is saying. But when you look at the answer, you find out that none of these options give the answers we have solved, which means there is a problem with the question. Now, let's look at the question. Normally, the question would have been from the answers they are having, because I had to solve the question in two different forms, saying that if this information is not there. Now, if we have said that Abu has 13 naira, Bola has 12 naira, that would have been better. So this more than Abu will not be there, because if we solve it with more than Abu, then of course we'll be having this answer we are having. So I'm going to cross more than from that question, more than Abu. Now, and Joy has thrice as much as Abu. So let's solve it with this now. So going to that number, question number 25 again. So question number 25, from what they have here, so going by that, we have that Abu has, so we'll go straight. So Abu's share is equals to 30 naira. Then Bola's own, Bola has 12 naira. Then Joy now has 3 times what Abu has. That is 3 times 30, which will give us 90 naira. 90 naira. So if I add up everything, that is total now. Total of all their whatever they have together. So when we add up that, we have 30 naira, then we have 12 naira, then we have 90 naira. We have 90 naira. So when we add up everything, 10 plus 90, we have 120. 120 plus 12. 120 plus 12, we have 132. So we have 130. We have 132 naira. We have 132 naira. So this is what we have in naira. Remember, we were asked to take it to kobo. So taking it to kobo, remember that I said 1 kobo is equal, or 1 naira rather, is equals to 100 kobo. So if you take that, that means 132 naira will be equals to 13,200 kobo. That means just for you to multiply 132 times 100 will give us this. Now, how do you do that very fast? 132 times 1. 132 times 1, we have 132. So you pack this 2 0, this 0 and this 0, add at the back of what you have. Then you just have your answer easily. That you will not have any problem. You don't have any problem to that. So that is the correct answer. The correct answer is E. To this question. So since we have cancelled more than, please take note, since we have cancelled more than Abu from the question, we have this. Now let's go to question number 20. Question number 26. Question number 26, very fast. Question number 26. Now question number 26 says, what is the value of t? What is value of t in this expression? T is equals to, value of this expression, t is equals to 16, t is equals to 16 plus 8t all over 3. T is equals to 16 plus 8t all over 3. Now that is very simple. There are 2 ways to actually do this, but you can actually choose the simpler one. So I'm going to just explain the 2. Now you can decide to multiply through by 3. And this denominator will cancel out. You just have a straight line equation, or you cross multiply. That means if this is over 1, whether you assume or not, is over 1. So if you cross multiply this by this, multiply this by this, you get your answer. So if I start with this side, if I say t times 3, if I cross multiply like this, so t times 3, I have 3t is equals to. Now I move on. The next one I have again is this. Next one I have again is this. Now 1 here, 1 times 16 plus 8t, I have 16 plus 8t. So that is what I have now. Of course, I can collect like them, or maybe cross multiply in this case. So I can cross this t to meet this and cross this one over, or I cross this to this side, this remains here. So if I cross this to this side, I have 3t minus 8t. which should now be equals to 16, because I'm crossing plus 8t over, it to turn to a negative. So now this 3t minus 8t, I have minus 5t. Of course, that is the answer. So equals to, this is plus here. Plus minus is minus. Plus minus is minus. Plus here, minus here, plus minus is minus. So we have to just turn it. 8 minus 3, we have 5. So we look at the two numbers. This one is having a plus and its smallest number. This one is having a minus and its biggest number. So we take the answer always goes with the sign of the bigger number. So, or the biggest number between the two, whichever way we want to call it. So we have our 16 here. So we drop our 16 down here. Now our t, just to make t the subject of formula from this place. So we divide both sides by minus 5. Divide here by minus 5. The moment we have done that complete, this will cancel this. So that we have our t will be equals to minus 16 all over 5. Now if you check through your answer, and you cannot find this in improper fraction the way it is, so you change it to mixed fraction. But from what we have here, we actually have it to be in improper fraction. So we leave it in that form. So our answer is A, which is minus 16 over 5. Minus 16 over 5 is our answer. So I quickly indicate this here. A is our answer. So the next question quickly, question number 27. Question number 27. Question number 27 says, find the value of x in the figure below. Now, if you look at the figure, we have 100 here. Of course, you know that this is 90 because this is your right angle here. So we have 90. We have here to be 120. We have the x here. Now, if you check, I told you in one of the videos that when you have a shape like this, that this is a quadrilateral. This is a quadrilateral because it's having 4 sides, 1, 2, 3, 4 angles rather. It's having 4 sides, 1, 2, 3, 4. And of course, since it's having a 4 side, it must have 4 angles. So one angle here, and of course the other angles. By the time you can't have 4 angles. Now we have a general law that whenever you're dealing with quadrilaterals, that the sum of angles in a quadrilateral is always equals to 360. While that of a triangle is 180. So take note of that. If we are conversant with that, we add up all these angles and we get it to 360, which is the sum of angles in a quadrilateral. So we have that from what we have this place, we have 100 degrees plus 90 degrees. I told you here is 90 degrees. Here is 90 degrees. So we have plus 120 degrees plus x degrees. Everything will be equals to 360 degrees. I told you the reason is that they are sum of angles of a quadrilateral. So by the time we go ahead and add up this, 90 plus 100 plus 90, we have 190. So we can actually take our rough and take care of that. So we have 190. I'm doing this for those that cannot calculate that fast. 190 plus 120. This is 0. This is 1. This is 1 here. So 1 plus 1 plus 1, you have 3. So your total answer here is 310. So I have 310. That is the real numbers now. 310 degrees plus x degrees. 310 degrees plus s degrees is equals to 360 degrees. 360 degrees. Of course, I can solve this equation. Now my x degrees will be equals to 360 degrees. We have already, this is plus 310 degrees, 310 degrees. It will move over to this place. You have minus 310 degrees. So by the time you take care of that, you take care of this will give us 50 degrees. That is this minus this, we have 50 degrees. So that is our answer. Now if you check, our answer is E. Our answer is E. That is 50 degrees. So that is our answer, E. The moment you solve correctly, you get your answer. There is no magic in this. Just solve correctly and you get your answer. But you must be very careful in order not to get a wrong answer. Because there is a way you're going to solve and you may get a wrong answer you think is the correct answer. So number 28, there's nothing to solve, just for you to understand some of in your your statistics, in your basic statistics, your statistics you did in JS1, in JS2, and maybe JS3. But from your JS1 statistic, you must have been taught this aspect. The number with the highest frequency in a table, in a data, is the, now a number that have the highest frequency means that the one that appear most, and of course you know that the number that appear most is always the mode. The one that appear most is the mode, while the range is the highest minus the lowest number, the highest minus the lowest, while the mean is the summation of all the numbers divided by the number of items you have. And of course, the median is the middle numbers. Either if it's just one number, of course that becomes the middle. If there are two numbers, you divide by 2. That is the median. So talking about the one with the highest frequency, so our answer here is C, because C is mode, and mode is the number that has the highest frequency in a set of data. So that our answer becomes C. So I can indicate it here, C. But if it's your book, if it's your book, and of course you can use a pencil and indicate it so that you can transfer it to your maybe a younger sibling and all that. So see you again. This is where we stop for this particular edition of this video. That was an interesting video. We learned a lot on Uncle Sam tutorials. We're able to solve so many equations. So if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. Go ahead and click on the subscription button like you're seeing. Click on the subscription button. It's just beneath the video. Click the subscription button. And don't forget, subscribe. Invite your friends. Invite them to subscribe. Subscribe yourself. Please subscribe our channel so that you get interesting videos. Don't forget, subscribe to our channels, and as soon as you subscribe, you see that you never miss any of our videos. So subscribe to my channel and never miss a new video. New videos will be posted, so your comments are welcome. Please send your comments to me. Check on the comments bar below. Make your comments. Tell me what you feel about the video and questions you need us to solve, and we'll quickly solve that for you. Bye for now.